guys, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're doing really well. This is the same background you saw me in last week. I'm just continuing shooting the vlog portion of the video because I've already got you set up, but I just wanted to say hi, welcome to the vlog. This is a look I'm wearing for an event today. I did this so quickly. I feel like I haven't worn makeup in so long, so it made me feel so like alive. This is the outfit I'm wearing. Actually, I don't think you can see it from here, but we're gonna go to a perfume launch event, I believe, so I think it's gonna be really fun. They said it's purple and bronze themed. I don't have anything in those colors, so I don't know what bronze is supposed to be as a color. So anyway, I'm wearing black. And I'm actually running a bit late, so let's go. I'm gonna take you along and I hope you enjoy. Hello guys, good morning. I hope you can hear me actually. Today I'm getting ready because I'm going to the airport. I'm going to Chennai for a few days. So for no particular reason, to be honest, a couple of my friends are there and I want to see them. They don't like always stay in Chennai, so I wanted to go and see them. So we're making the trip down. I'm gonna take you along. It's gonna be just like 3 days of random things. I haven't really planned it out. It's just a very short trip. So yeah, I thought I'll just give you that update before we go. Hello, good morning from Chennai. I haven't vlogged from Chennai in so long. Do you call it Chennai or do you call it Madras? My mom has a strong preference from Madras. Like if someone calls it Chennai, she will correct them. Yesterday, I went and met my physio just as a check in for my neck and all. I didn't really do much. I got 4-degree yogurt. It's my favorite dessert in Chennai. Like every time I come, I have to have it. Like the first day I land itself, I usually get it. If you're from Chennai and you still haven't tried 4-degree yogurt, I highly urge you to try it. It's like simply the best. I'm just putting on some sunscreen. This is from Clarins. I just keep a few of my products here and just use it whenever I'm here. This is clearly leaving such a strong white cast, but I really need to use sunscreen because I'm trying this new serum from this Indian brand called Flout, and it's a retinol serum. Yeah, I can feel like it's very potent. It is definitely like doing things, and if I'm not sun protected, I feel like it actually makes me look tanned, which I don't know, I feel like it's like a sign that it's actually working. Because retinol is supposed to make you photosensitive, but I don't know. This t-shirt is from Cotton World and I've paired it with my, you can't see the pants anyway. Let's just do some light brow gel and mascara and stuff. I brought with me this time some more products I just wanted to leave here. Yeah, I feel like all the products here are like kind of expired or empty. This is Benefit Dark Curl Bang. It's a very curling mascara. It's like really holds a curl. So yeah, yesterday that's all I did, and today again, like every time I'm here in Chennai, I don't come with an agenda. Um, so today I might go out for breakfast, and then I have to meet a friend of mine who's like one of the main reasons I've come here. And then I'm gonna watch Wuthering Heights in the evening. Such fun plans I have. But other than that, we're just gonna focus on chilling. I had such a good night's sleep. Good night's sleep. Good night's, yeah, good night's sleep. I've been having magnesium, and I don't know if it's what is that called, confirmation bias, but I just keep hearing that people say that, you know, it helps with your sleep, and so now I feel like I'm sleeping better, or if I'm actually sleeping better. There's no way to track it unless I like actually use like some machine to track it. I've started magnesium because my PMS has gotten really intense, and I read up that magnesium helps with PMS as well, and overall just your state of mind. And as you know, I get a lot of migraines, and magnesium is supposed to also help migraines. The one I have is from Wellbeing, the triple magnesium complex. I really want to get a blow dry today. Let's see, because I feel like my hair got so sweaty yesterday and dirty. It's just not been washed for a couple of days, and I feel very self-conscious about it. One of my favorite things to do when I'm in Chennai is to get a blow dry, because I don't know, to be honest. One of the main reasons that like initially made me want to go and get blow dries at salons here was one, that the water in my house is really bad here. And when I say bad, I mean really bad. Like it's just full of like metal. You can literally taste it in the water, and Chennai is just kind of known for having bad water. Yeah, when I put that water on my hair, I noticed that it makes it rougher, and sometimes it causes some breakage and hair fall. So I started like just not washing my hair here. Not like ever, but I prefer not to, but sometimes you can't help it. So, and also additionally, if you're in Chennai and you notice that your skincare is not skincaring and it's just not working, just know that it could be because of the water. You can try washing your face with drinking water. Like after you wash your hair with regular shower water, you can go in and rinse your hair with drinking water once at the end to like seal the cuticle of the hair, and that also makes a really big difference in the texture of your hair. I'm just saying this because Chennai water is really bad. This is House of Makeup Dusk to Dawn liquid lipstick in the shade, it doesn't say anywhere on the tube, Even the sticker is missing. That's very sad. But this is a nice like nudie shade when you like shear it out like this. But yeah, I'm ready to go and I'm gonna take you along for whatever I get up to today. So let's go. Hello, I'm getting ready for dinner. I'm actually not even sure where I'm going. Probably Japanese. I don't know why, but Chennai is like really big on Asian food, so there are a lot of Asian places here. Probably because we have a big expat community. We even have a bunch of like Korean places. Anyway, so probably one of those. But I wanted to talk about Wuthering Heights. It was so disappointing. I haven't even read the book for me to feel like, oh, they didn't do justice to the book or anything. I just genuinely feel like the movie was a little bit wacky. If you watched Poor Things by the same director, I feel like it's a very similar style. And I don't know, I really loved Poor Things a lot actually. Like I rewatched it twice. But for some reason, that same sort of like treatment here didn't work. Um, so I was like, what is going on? I think the like marketing around the movie was so heavy, and the movie actually is kind of disappointing. I think a lot of people on the internet are saying the same thing. So then I got my laser hair reduction. It's like a maintenance session at this point. I don't do it like monthly as you do at the start of your session. I made a whole um, laser hair reduction video, like in-depth video on the topic. You should definitely watch that if you're considering getting laser, because there's so many things that they don't tell you when you actually start laser, which I tell you in the video as someone who's actually done it. Also, I'm using this moisturizer because I got it yesterday from the salon. I got a blow dry yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, anyway, I got a blow dry and it's made my life so much easier, especially when I'm in Chennai. And I got this moisturizer when I was at the salon. The salon is called Anlon. Um, this is the NARS Afterglow Blush in the shade Wanderlust. By the way, this formula is spectacular. So anyway, about the moisturizer, I actually used to use it in like 2020. I think they were like really popular at the time, or maybe they were doing a bunch of collabs and that's how I came to know of it. But yeah, that time I used it, I think, accidentally all over the body, and I remembered it being like really good. So I used it again, and sadly, I don't know if like my memory is at fault here, but it's very, very matte. Like my skin is so matte. So I think actually if you have oily skin, this is a really good moisturizer for you. But as someone who's got dry skin, who wants more like a glowy look, this is not working for me. I just thought I would mention that. I don't know why I insist on getting ready in the bathroom all the time, honestly, or shoot in the bathroom all the time. No matter where I go, I just end up like shooting vlog stuff when I'm in the bathroom. But I'm going in with this Lancome Grandiose mascara. This mascara has like a really wacky wand. It's supposed to make it easier for you to like keep your head straight while you do the mascara. This is like not as voluminous as I would like my lashes to be, but it's okay. Yeah, by the way, like a mini review on this Anne Lawn salon is I'm very confused by it because once I went there to get like my hair chopped, and that they did like a really bad job because I don't think they understand how I wanted it. They just like shortened the length and called it a day, but that's not what I wanted, and I was left with a bad haircut for a long time. As for blow dries, I think they can give you a very nice like frizz free blow dry, but they can't give you like massive volume and things like that. And I feel like they just do the same haircut on everyone and call it different things, but everyone has that same like butterfly haircut type of look. It just looks really good when it's styled, but when you style it yourself at home, it's not gonna look that good. So don't fall for these things, please. The salon itself is really nice for like quick blow dries, but as for haircut, I'm not sure. I've literally had this It Cosmetics palette for so many years now. Like, I got it when I was in the UK and I've just kept it for the memes. I'm pretty sure it's expired, so don't use your expired makeup like how I do. Use it at your own risk. It's like your personal choice. I continue to use my powder products for ages, um, because of like sentimental attachment I have to some of them, but it's so your call. I have this random Revlon lipstick in the shade Chocolate Velvet. I feel like Revlon lipsticks are so like 90s. I don't know. They still have kept that like sheen that we get with like Chanel lipsticks, for example. I don't know how they do that, but they're so good if you like get the right shades, I feel. But I think I'm ready. I just need like some perfume and we can go.